This is the September GlossyBox. This edit is called Golden Hour. Let's have a look at the goodies inside of this one. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is kind of late, but I have this. This is my PR box from GlossyBox. This is the September box. Normally we get this at the very beginning of every month to show you guys, but yeah, they had a few problems, but we've got it now. My one that I pay for should be due in a few days, so we will be doing a giveaway for that. And in a few moments I will announce who won last month's box, so stay tuned. To be totally clear and transparent, I have not paid for this box. This box was given to me for free. This is a PR box from GlossyBox. I get one every month from them to do an unboxing on my channel. I also pay for a box every month as well, which for the last few months I've started to give away, and I'm going to be giving away this one as well, so stay tuned to the end of the video and find out how you can be with a chance to win. If you are interested in subscribing to this box, it's £13.25 per month. I do have a link as well. I'll pop the link and my code down below in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link, is it £5 you get off? I'm sure it is, but all details will be down below, so make sure to subscribe if you have not already. But let's get this open. But yeah, if you have not subscribed already to my channel, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, so inside my box we have the normal pink box that we get, and we have this leaflet. On here it just says, "Hi Glossies, we're so excited to share this month's box with you. As always, each month features 5 beauty products worth over £50, and code GLOSSY in capital letters will get your followers a surprise at checkout. Make sure to use that code at checkout." We don't get an edit card with this. Well, we do, we get a digital one. That's what this is for. We've got a QR code. We'll scan that and get that up in a moment. There is a sneak peek. That seems a lot in there, guys. That looks like more than 5 products. I'm liking what I see. Right, so let's get scanning. Guys, so I don't know if it's my phone or not, because it's happened the last few months now. I go to scan the card and it's not doing it. I don't know, see if I've accidentally clicked something somewhere. Probably have, but you know. But on here it just says this edit is called Golden Hour. Let's get started. First product I'm automatically drawn to is this. So it is by the brand Rituals. Love Rituals as a brand, and this is the Ritual of Myrrh, Energize Your Soul, and this is a nourishing shampoo. It's 70 mils that you get in here, which is fab. Obviously not a full size, but you can get quite a few washes out of this to get a sense of what it is like. Just to let the cat out of the bag now, there is not a matching conditioner, which upsets me so much. I don't like it when we get just a shampoo or just a conditioner. I like to get a set. I would have preferred to get an even smaller size of this to get the same size conditioner to match it. So really awesome brand, super happy to get it, but I want a conditioner to go with it. The next item I have is this. So this is by the brand Balance Me, and it's Radiance Facial Oil. I do like the brand Balance Me. There's a few products that I'm not keen on, but there is a few products that I actually like as well. Have we received this in a previous box? I'm sure I have, in one of the many boxes that I get. I do subscribe to quite a few of them. But this is what it looks like. You can see it there, the shiny. It feels nice and light. It smells absolutely gorgeous, really nice. But yeah, you can see the radiance. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but wow, lovely. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Grand Cosmetics, or is it Grande Cosmetics? And this is Grande or Grand Lash MD, and it's Lash Enhancing Serum. Oh, fab. I keep getting loads of these, not this brand, but I keep saying I'm going to try these, and then they go off and I have to chuck them away. So hopefully I'm going to try this and see what it's actually like. It just says it's a clear serum and there's a 4-week supply of it here. Long, lush looking lashes, 100% all your own. Please, thank you very much. That actually sounds great, and you only have to apply it once a day, so probably before bed. The little tube, it's metal. Is it a wand? Oh no, it's not a wand, it's like a brush there. Interesting, interesting. Fourth product I have is this. So this is by the brand teeez, and it's To Die For eyeshadow. Okay. Oh my god, that's absolutely cute. This is called Glow on the Go. That is the shade there. Oh, let's try this out. Wow, oh my goodness. So let's share that out a bit so we can get an idea. Wow, look at that. That is going to be an absolute gorgeous inner corner like highlight. Wow. The fifth and final product we have is this, but we do have 3 free items there, so keep tuned. We have is this. So this is by the brand Brow Altia. And it's Defy Brow Styling Brow Soap. Okay, I've actually been wanting to try a brow soap, so this is fantastic. This is what it looks like inside. So there it is there, and we've got a cute little brush there. Oh wow, yeah, so it's like a soap. Can't smell anything. So yeah, just add water or something. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have a play with that and see if I like that or not. But I'm really happy to get it. So let's move on to freebies. Who doesn't love a good freebie? And we have 3 here to love. So the first free item we have is this. So it's by the brand Garnier Skin Active, and it's Ultra Lift Eye Sheet Mask, smooth crow's feet and firm your eye contours, hyaluronic acid and green tea. Fabulous. You whack them on for 15 minutes and you get 1 pair in here. I can't wait to try them out. The second free item we have is this. So this is by the brand, what's that? Oh, it's by Huda Beauty. Okay, Huda Beauty. And it is Glow Wish. Oh, it's a skin tint. It's a multi-dew skin tint. Oh, and we've got 3 in here to try. So yeah, we have 3 of them there, and there's 1 ml in each one. Oh, I'll have to try that out. I'm probably going to be that one, the light one. I wonder if that's enough to do a whole face. Hope so, and then I can try it out and see what it's like. And I might use these as like bronzer or contour or something. We won't let them go to waste. But yeah, super happy to get that to try out. Third and final free item we have is this. This is by the brand Clean Core, I think, and it's a non-alcoholic G&T. Okay. Oh, it's really cute. Look, we get a bottle there. You'll struggle to tell the difference. Try one of our award-winning gin, rum or tequila alternatives. Oh, I can't talk. Sugar-free with less than 15 calories per serving. Tesco's, Morrison's, Sainsbury's, and we get a voucher here for £5 off in store too. Okay. So this is the September GlossyBox. This edit is called Golden Hour. What do you think? Personally, I am really liking this box, and I'm super happy we got 3 free products. I think the only thing that I'm disappointed in is that we've got a shampoo without an accompanying conditioner. I love a set, guys. I love a set, and I will keep nagging on and on and on, repeating myself over and over. But great brand of shampoo, I must admit. I really have to get my hands on a matching conditioner to try them out together. But yeah, a nice facial oil, something to help our lashes grow, a gorgeous eyeshadow. That's going to be so good on the inner corner as a highlighter. It's very brightening and gorgeous. Brow soap, which, yeah, believe it or not, I've not tried yet, so I'm really glad to get some to actually try. And yeah, the 3 free products, eye mask, the skin tint and the fake gin stuff. Not a bad box. If you want to subscribe to this box, click the link in the information box and the comment box, and you will get £5 off your first box, so don't miss out on that. And yeah, I am going to get myself together and I am going to choose a winner for the August box. So let's get to it. So I'm just putting the link into the video. I am filtering duplicate users. Oh, it's making me do a sum. 1 plus 6 is 7. Well done, me. And yeah, let's find out who the winner is. So the winner is Josie. Well done, Josie. Head over to Instagram and private message me your details and we can get your prize sent to you. Well done to the winner. You get the August glossy box. I hope you enjoy it and make sure to claim it. So yeah, I'm going to be giving away the September box as well. I always have one spare. I get a PR box, this one from GlossyBox, and I also buy it every month as well. So yeah, we'll do a giveaway for the one that I buy. So things that must be done are, you must like this video. 2, be subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And 3, comment down below what your favourite product in this box is, and when I do my next video for the October box I will announce the winner, and yeah, good luck. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!